If someone steals your iPhone, they are not just taking your device, they are taking your entire digital life. But these 10 settings, they turn your iPhone into a locked fortress. Let's fix that right now. The first one, stolen device protection. Go to the settings. Then tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Then tap on stolen device protection and set it to always. This is one of the most important settings. Even if someone steals your iPhone and knows your passcode, they still cannot change your Apple ID or access sensitive data without Face ID, plus a built-in 1-hour security delay. Next, advanced data protection. You can reach this one through settings, then tap your name and iCloud, or just scroll down and tap on iCloud here. Then tap on Advanced Data Protection and turn it on. This enables end-to-end encryption for things like photos and notes. So even if servers get compromised, your data stays completely unreadable to anyone but you. Then the third one, disable Siri on lock screen. Go to the settings, then Face ID and passcode again, and scroll to allow access when locked. And choose Siri and turn off Siri. This stops anyone from grabbing your phone and asking Siri to read messages, call contacts, or reveal personal info while your phone is locked. Then we have USB accessories protection. Head to the settings again and tap on privacy and security. Scroll all the way down and tap on wired accessories. Set it to when unlocked. This blocks hackers from using cables or external devices to access your data through the charging port when your phone has been locked for a while. Then we have hide notification previews. Go to the settings, then tap on notifications. Then show previews and choose when unlocked. Now your messages, OTP codes, and private alerts stay hidden on the lock screen until your Face ID unlocks the phone. Number 6, we have safety check. Open settings, then privacy and security, and safety check. Use manage sharing and access to see exactly who or what has access to your location, photos, and data. This is something you should review regularly to stay in control. Then number 7, we have App Privacy Report. Go to the settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap App Privacy Report and turn it on. This shows you which apps are secretly using your camera, microphone, or tracking you in the background. Think of it as a security log for your phone. Then we have sensitive content warning. Open settings, then privacy and security again, and tap on sensitive content warning and turn it on. Your iPhone will automatically blur inappropriate or unwanted images before you even see them, especially from AirDrop or messages. Number 9, Lockdown Mode. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way down and tap on Lockdown Mode. This is extreme level protection. It limits web features and blocks advanced cyber attacks. Not for everyone, but if you ever need maximum security, this is it. To let you know, there is a separate video I've talked about lockdown mode in details. You can check it in the description. And the last one, Find My Network. Open Settings, tap your name, and then Find My, and Find My iPhone. Then turn on Find My Network. Even if your phone is turned off or the battery dies, you can still track it. This is your ultimate backup if your device ever gets lost or stolen. And just like that, your iPhone is now way harder to hack, track, or break into. Which one of these settings shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. This is Tech Tip Tabs. Follow for more smart iPhone tips.